back in the day, so you liable to find a roll with your little raggedy folks too. Hey, get your butt back in the house. So what you want to do?
Put the cologne on, Vaseline on, bag. Got my welding helmet. Let's get it. Man, I'm 28 years old. I turned 29 in March. I've lived in Louisiana for about 20 years of my life. About 8 years I've lived in other places, but for about 20 years of my life, I lived in Louisiana. I never seen this much snow before. You know what I'm saying? Never seen this much snow before in Louisiana. I've seen way more snow than this because I used to live in Minnesota and Rhode Island. So I'm familiar with the snow, but I never seen this much before in Louisiana. So usually down south when we get snow, because we rarely get snow, but when we do get snow, most people down south are not really familiar with it. So we kind of start to panic. Well, I don't because I'm familiar with this shit already. But most people around here ain't familiar with this, especially not this much. So this is a rare occurrence, like, you know what I'm saying, to see something like this in South Louisiana is very, very rare to see this. So most shit is gonna be shut down. I'm not even sure if I got school today. And I don't see anything in my email. The last thing I saw was on Tuesday. They said school would be shut down on Tuesday. But I don't know if we got school today or not. My school isn't very far. It's only a 5-minute walk. So I'm gonna walk over there first just to make sure, just to see if I see any vehicles around. If it looks dead, then I'll walk back home. That means we ain't got school. I don't think we have school today, man, because I don't even see. Usually I see the elementary school kids waiting for their school bus, and I don't see them today. So I'm assuming maybe we ain't got school today. So I'm gonna walk over there first, just to peep it out, see what's going on. If not, then that's fine too. I just go back home and relax. That means we ain't got school for the whole week this week, because I think today's Thursday. So if we do have school today, then we only have today and tomorrow, and then that's it. If not, then I'll just enjoy this nice little winter break that we got going on. I'm assuming probably not, even though most of the ice is melted off the street. We still got some ice on the roads, like right here, up ahead. You know what I'm saying? So I guess we're going to find out. But this was supposed to be my second week of welding class. This is my second semester, the beginning of my second semester. My first semester, I went to school for engines. We were learning a little bit about engines. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't do the greatest the first semester because I wasn't prepared. I didn't have all the tools I needed. It was just bad. I kind of fell behind on a lot of my classwork, but I started to catch up towards the end. I think I got like a 70 in my engines class, which is still passing, but it's not a good grade, but it's passing. You know what I'm saying? It's not failing. At least I didn't fail. But I did fail my first semester of math. So I'm going hard on my math now. I'm doing pretty good in my math class right now. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good in math right now. So I'm making up for that. All I got to do is pass this semester of math and I'm good. So it doesn't matter if I failed the first semester. I just got to pass this semester. If I would have passed my first semester, then I wouldn't have had to take math this semester, but unfortunately I failed, so I got to retake it. But I'm doing good right now, so we're gonna keep it that way. Welding, I'm doing okay. I'm not doing the greatest, but I'm just learning. Um, I got a 16 out of 24 on my first test, which is still passing, of course. That's still passing, but I'm just learning. It's my first time picking up welding equipment in my life. So to get a 16 out of 24 for somebody who's just picking this equipment up and just getting started, I say that's fair. I say that's okay. I can do better, but I'm just learning. You know what I'm saying? So for my next test, we're gonna try hard to get a better grade. But at least I passed. You know what I'm saying? Passing is not good enough. I understand that. We're gonna do better. But like I said, as long as I still passed, that's what really counts in the end. You know what I'm saying? As long as I didn't fail. You know what I'm saying? That's what I care about the most. Yeah, we should all strive to do better than that, to do the best we can. We got to do better than just passing, of course. We should strive for that. But like I said, as long as you pass and you don't fail, that's what really counts in the end. I'm just learning, you know what I'm saying? I'm just learning this new trade, so I'm not an expert, I'm not a master. I haven't even done this before. It's my first time doing it. So it's okay. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we ain't got school today, man. I can see it now. All this ice on the road. You know what I'm saying? Still got ice on the road. Looking like Minnesota out here, you feel me? Yeah. This is southern Louisiana, man. People ain't prepared for this type of shit. You know what I'm saying? People don't really know how to drive in this type of shit. You know what I'm saying? So, South Louisiana Community College might be shut down today, probably for the rest of this week. I guess we'll have to be coming back on Monday, baby. It is what it is. But I'm going to walk over there anyways just to make sure. A lot of people on the internet doubted me. And they talk shit about me. They said this, they said that. And I'm proving them wrong, you know what I'm saying? See, even if I don't have school today, when I get back home, I'm going to get on YouTube and I'm going to watch a bunch of different, I already started, I'm going to watch a bunch of different welding videos, basic welding tutorials. I even started researching ways I could become a welding entrepreneur. See, if I learn how to weld, I could become a welding entrepreneur. I don't have to go and get a career and work for somebody and clock in for somebody. I could become my own entrepreneur through welding. So there's so many different things you could do with welding. I can get a career, I could start a business, or I could just start a little side hustle. I could create different products. I could sell it online, sell it on the street. You can do all different types of things, man. Do all different types of things, man. So that's a skill. You know what I'm saying? That is a skill right there, man. That is a good ass skill right there. Oh yeah, we ain't got school today, ladies and gentlemen. It ain't no school today. I figured that. I figured there wasn't gonna be any school today, which I ain't tripping on that. I'm actually kind of glad because it gives me some extra time to go get some rest. So I'm gonna go back home. It's a good thing I didn't take my equipment with me. That's why I left it at the house, because I had a feeling there wasn't gonna be no school today. They ain't got no cars. Oh yeah, that's dead. That's dead. I kind of figured that because we still got too much snow on the ground. So I figured that was gonna happen. So that's dead. It is what it is. But I will continue to document my journey through welding school all the way to my graduation. You know what I'm saying? I took out a student loan my first semester. And the thing about student loans is, at least how it works here at South Louisiana Community College, they don't give you the entire loan in one semester. They give you half. So they give you half of the loan the first semester, and then the second semester they give you the second half of the loan. So probably in March or April, I'll be getting my second half of this loan. So I'm waiting on that. I don't care, man. Some people will try to knock me for taking out a student. I didn't take out a huge amount. I'm not gonna say how much I took out, but I took out enough, and I didn't take out too much. The loan isn't. I didn't take out a 50. Some people take out $50,000 loans. Some people take out $100,000 damn near loans, and they get put into debt for the rest of their life. I didn't do that. I took out a small amount. You know what I'm saying? I took out less. I'm gonna just say, I ain't gonna say the exact amount, but I'm gonna just let y'all know it's less than 20,000. I took out less than 20,000. It was close to 20,000, but it was a little bit under 20,000. See, I could work with that. That's something I could pay back quick. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't got no school today. It is what it is. It's cold as shit out here. I'm about to go back home, man.